Are you struggling to make a YouTube video? This video making checklist only for you. Keep watch this full video, otherwise you miss some important techniques. Always make a content like a queen. It means creating a trending and unique and very quality and easy to understandable content to rank fast. The content is queen. Okay, then who is the king? You know the king? Then don't forget to comment below. Then script out everything what you need to talk to your viewers. The script must have minimum 20 points, otherwise your video going to very short. Always make a script like a conversation with your friend, because we are always interested to talk to our friend, not a professor or teacher. Script writing is not a waste of time, because the one script give you more benefits. Means you can use it on your description, subtitles, social media posts and website articles and more. You can use Gingerit website to correct your grammar and spellings to improve your writing skill. The website link also available in the description below. This is my script for this video. Comment below what you think about it. If any video has enough quality, reasonable sound, proper lighting, that's called good video. If you are a beginner, don't worry. Use your mobile as a camera, earphone as a mic, window as a light is good enough to make videos like me, because I am also using my mobile as a camera, window for lighting. Sometimes I am using flash as a light. So please comment below what you think about my video quality. If you ready to invest, then buy a camera, mic, tripod, lights and green screen. These 5 equipments helping you to make a professional video. Also your channel go to next level. And I shared some links in description what are the gadgets I am using for making my video. If you need to buy the gadgets, just use the links please. Before starting your recording, make a test video to find your camera position, mic performance, lighting is okay or not. It's help you to make a professional video. Before going to the next point, like the video if it's useful. Share the video to right people like you to help them. If you are a new viewer, subscribe the channel now and click the bell icon for unlimited ideas from me. And support my channel to donate me on Buy Me a Coffee website. The link also available in the description below. Then your video must have an intro, content, call to actions and outro. You want to make a professional video? Then use this same format in your every videos. Watch my all videos to find what are the different formats I am using in my videos and comment below what you find from the videos. I am always asking questions about my content. Also ask you to interact with me in my all videos. You know why? Because simply sitting in front of the laptop or mobile and watching videos are not helping you. When you interested to take action and interact with the related things, you get a reasonable result for the actions. Since practical is more valuable than theory. I am not coming for only making money on YouTube. I want to make a real difference and impact in your life to improve your earning potential. Watch my coming videos also to know the detailed tips and tricks and secrets and more about the each and every points I am using in this video. Since this video is outline only, the main picture coming soon.